Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Shreya and I hope you all are doing good. And today I will be reviewing about my top 3 favorite mascaras and which are also budget friendly. So let's get started. Mascara which I will be reviewing is from Lakme, which is Lakme Iconic Curling Mascara, and it retails for 450 rupees, and I end up using this mostly because it is easily removable, and also the applicator is so nice. It gives you like nice curling effect to your eyelashes, and also the third point, it's not that heavy. It's not heavy. So this is like a person who likes using mascara like every now and then. For them it's very good because it doesn't give that heavy effect on your eyelashes, and also it is easily removable, which is the greatest thing I like. It is waterproof but still it is easily removable. So yeah, second mascara which I will be reviewing is from Maybelline, which is the Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Waterproof Mascara, and this is kind of my second favorite. It retails for $3.99. Like, the applicator on this is so dense that it gives you that nice dense eyelashes. It's like when you are doing any smoky eyes or any festive look eye makeup, then this is the one which will give you that nice voluminous eyelashes. It also gives some lengthening effect to your eyelashes. The only problem which I get while using this mascara is it's very hard to work on the inner corners of your eyelashes because of its dense applicator. Like, it's not easy to use in the inner corners of your eyes. So yeah, that's the only problem I have. Other than this, it's really good and it will really give you that nice dense eyelash look. I will give a honorable mention to another of my favorite mascara. I don't have the bottle right now, but it was my favorite, which is from Maybelline. It's Maybelline Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara. I love that mascara. It gives so good lengthening effect to my eyelashes. Right now I am not having it, but definitely I will repurchase that mascara. Last one, which is my absolute favorite, is Color Bar Zoom and Whoosh Mascara. Oof, this is absolute love. It retails for 650 rupees, but just can you see the applicator? This one is for the upper lid and this one is for the lower lid, and also for like if you want some precise work on your eyelashes, like the inner corners, this one is so great. Like this one, the smaller one, this is like wow, it will give that nice effect on your lower lids, and all the inner corners of your eyelashes. Oh my god, this is my absolute favorite. The only problem which I end up with this is it's not easily removable. I had problem in removing this mascara. That's why I just use it in special occasions. This is mostly for those festive looks where you need precise look. And also I want to mention one thing, that while using mascara, please do use eyelash curler, because it's very important for precise work on your eyelashes. You should use eyelash curler because it will give your eyelashes some more lengthening and it gives a proper curling effect to your eyelashes. So please do use eyelash curler, which is, I think, most important part of using a mascara. So that's all for today. I hope you like it, and let me know in the comments down below what you want me to review in my next video, and please do like, share and subscribe. Bye.